Lou Mervis always believed in making the world a better place and in his Jewish faith's teaching of tikkun olam, which requires that we all have a responsibility to heal the world. Lou lived this belief every day. While at Indiana University from 1952 to his graduation from the business school in 1956, Lou served under the influence of IU's legendary president, Herman B. Wells, on the board of Eons, as vice president of student government and as president of Sigma Alpha Mu fraternity, among many other campus leadership positions. Lou graduated with distinction in 1956 with an accounting degree. This commitment to contribute to his community, coupled with the leadership skills he developed and honed at IU, became the foundation for a lifetime of serious involvement and support to his local community, the states of both Illinois and Indiana, and to Indiana University. Upon graduating from IU, Lou moved home to Danville, Illinois, where he expanded his small family business into a successful company with over 400 employees, operating in 17 locations in the United States. Governors, political and civic leaders from both parties routinely called or visited seeking his advice and counsel. Lou offered his time and talents quietly, assisting his hometown as well as by serving in a number of influential public roles, such as chairman of the Illinois State Board of Education. As an IU alumnus, Lou and his family actively supported the Bourne's Jewish Studies program, the Institute for the Study of Contemporary Anti-Semitism, the Jacobs School of Music, the Kelly School of Business, and the IU Hillel, all of which led to the IU Foundation honoring Lou and his wife Sybil with the Herman B. Wells Visionary Award in 2015. But for Lou, it wasn't about the titles, positions, or awards. Lou simply believed in doing good. To further honor Lou's legacy, members of the Mervis family have created the Lou Mervis Distinguished Lecture to support involvement in our community and around the world, to promote a just society and to inspire the responsibility to improve and heal the world. It is the hope that through participating in conversations and activities like tonight's program, we will all accept the responsibility to make the world a better place through our education, involvement, philanthropy, and leadership. Please enjoy the Indiana Memorial Union Board and the IU Hillel's Lou Mervis Distinguished Lecture with Anderson Cooper. We love you, Papa. You're still making the world a better place.